Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select your language. I'll stay with English. Then tap Start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but you can also skip this step for now and connect to the mobile network later. Here you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up your date and time. Then you have Google services. If you want them, just leave them, but I suggest you to disable them. Then you have to, but in any case you will have to accept with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. You have no other choice. Then you can set up your fingerprint, but you can also skip this step for now and do it anytime later in settings. Then you can set up any other lock screen method, but you can also skip this step for now and do this anytime later in settings. Then you have to agree with privacy policy and contest form, I guess. And that's it. Your device is now ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.